Long before modern medicine filled our shelves with antibiotics, nature had already stocked her pharmacy with powerful defenders. Hidden in roots, leaves, and tiny seeds are herbs that fight infection, boost immunity, and help the body heal itself. Today, we'll uncover 5 of these natural treasures that have been trusted for centuries. Hi everyone. Whether you're new or returning, welcome to PureHealth through food. Antibiotics are substances that fight harmful bacteria in the body. When an infection tries to invade, antibiotics step in like soldiers, stopping bacteria from multiplying, breaking down their walls, or weakening them so the immune system can finish the job. They play a vital role in protecting us from dangerous infections, allowing wounds to heal, fevers to drop, and the body to recover. But while modern antibiotics are powerful, they can sometimes come with side effects, and overuse may lead to resistance. That's why nature's own antibiotics, herbs that work in harmony with the body, are so valuable. But here's something many people overlook: infections often take hold because of hidden causes. A weakened immune system from poor diet, stress, or lack of rest can leave the body defenseless. Overuse of synthetic antibiotics can create resistant bacteria, making natural remedies even more valuable. And sometimes, everyday habits, like high sugar intake or processed foods, quietly feed harmful microbes. That's why herbs like Goldenseal, Echinacea, Cloves, garlic, and oregano are so powerful. They not only fight infection but also support the body's natural resilience. For thousands of years, people have turned to herbs not only to fight infections but also to strengthen the body from within. Unlike synthetic drugs, many of these herbs come packed with compounds that support immunity, reduce inflammation, and create an environment where harmful bacteria struggle to survive. Let's look at these powerful natural antibiotics. Number 1. Goldenseal. Goldenseal is often called one of nature's most potent antibiotics. Its power comes from a compound called berberine, which fights bacteria and even helps prevent them from attaching to the walls of your tissues. Traditionally, it has been used for respiratory infections, digestive issues, and even skin wounds. Goldenseal doesn't just kill germs, it also boosts the immune system, making it harder for infections to take hold in the first place. Number 2. Echinacea. Echinacea, with its bright purple petals, is more than just a pretty flower. It's one of the most trusted immune boosters in herbal medicine. Known for reducing the severity and duration of colds and flu, Echinacea stimulates white blood cells, the body's natural defense army. By keeping your immune response strong and ready, Echinacea helps stop infections before they can spread and overwhelm the body. Number 3. Cloves. Cloves may be tiny, but they pack an extraordinary punch. The secret lies in a compound called eugenol, a natural antiseptic and pain reliever. For centuries, cloves have been used to soothe toothaches, freshen breath, and fight infections in the mouth. But their benefits go beyond dental health. Cloves are also effective against harmful bacteria and fungi throughout the body, making them a true natural shield against infection. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic is more than just a flavor booster in the kitchen, it's a natural antibiotic powerhouse. Its active compound, allicin, has been shown to fight bacteria, viruses, and even fungi. Garlic works by weakening harmful microbes while strengthening the immune system at the same time. For centuries, it's been used to ward off infections, improve circulation, and even support heart health. Eating it raw or lightly cooked is the best way to unlock its natural healing power. Number 5. Oregano. Oregano, especially in the form of oregano oil, is one of nature's strongest defenders against infection. Its active compounds, carvacrol and thymol, are potent antimicrobials that help fight bacteria, yeast, and even some viruses. Traditionally, oregano has been used to soothe respiratory infections, support digestion, and protect the body from seasonal illnesses. Think of it as a small herb with a very big shield, guarding your health on multiple fronts. Now, you may be wondering, are these herbs really backed by science? The answer is yes. Studies have shown that compounds like berberine in goldenseal, allicin in garlic, eugenol in cloves, and carvacrol in oregano do have antimicrobial properties. Echinacea, Also, has been widely researched for its ability to support the immune system and reduce the severity of colds. While nature's remedies are powerful, it's important to remember that they are not one-size-fits-all. If you're taking prescription medications or have a health condition, always check with a qualified healthcare professional before trying these herbs. Natural doesn't mean risk-free, but when used wisely, these gifts from nature can be wonderful allies in protecting your health. So, the next time you think about fighting infection, remember, nature has already given us powerful allies in Goldenseal, Echinacea, Cloves, garlic, and oregano. These herbs don't just fight off harmful microbes, they also support the body's natural defenses. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to PureHealth through food for more natural health tips, and share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear if you've tried any of these herbs yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.